Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kelly. I do a ton of these sort of videos along with hauls and decor, things like that. So if you like stuff like that, stick around and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload something. And if you are ready to deep clean your kitchen or deep clean my kitchen with me and you watch so you can get some motivation, I am ready if you are ready, so let's jump in.
Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to
I'm gonna go ahead and start in my pantry. I had some groceries that were on the countertops that I needed to put away. So before I decided to put the groceries away, I wanted to straighten this up a little bit and get this more organized to where we can see all of our food, what we have, and get rid of all the stuff that we didn't need in there or empty boxes, all that sorts of things. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and get taken care of now.
come and get it, come and get it, come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fine.
So we've been doing a ton of little projects around the house, like here or there, and our kitchen table has kind of been the central hub of where everything goes whenever we're done with it. So I started to put everything away. All my husband's tools go back out in the garage. Put the paint away, get everything cleaned up and off this table that's been sitting here for a little bit. And this is some stuff from a sleepover that my kids had. So I was just getting all that stuff out of the way before I actually really start deep cleaning the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii with you.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and wash all the cups that don't go in my dishwasher and get this taken care of. The only thing that I don't do in this video that I will have to do in another video is clean the grout on my kitchen floor. I really wanted to get to that this time, but I just didn't have enough time. You have to have enough time set aside so you can, one, focus on it and make sure you get it clean, but it's so time consuming, and I just, with everything going on right now and Halloween coming up and all this kind of stuff, I did not have enough time set aside to get it done, but I am going to do it. It needs to be done really bad. This was probably one of the areas in our house that needed to be done more than the other areas that I did, but it's so large I didn't have enough time set aside, but I will do it. If you like that sort of thing, let me know, and I will try and set time aside so I can get it out sooner than later, but it is coming. I'm not sure when.
It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la.
Now I'm gonna head over and start wiping down my cabinets. These cabinets needed this so bad. I was so happy with how they looked after it was all done. They were just brighter and cleaner, but it really needed it. So I started with my top cabinets, worked my way down to the bottom cabinets, and they looked so much better when I was done.
Off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Now I'm going to go ahead and go to my back sliding glass door. I'm going to clean this area. It's always dirty because my dog comes in and out of this door the most, and all the dirt collects right here in this little bitty crack. And then I clean the door track as well. I started out cleaning with the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser. I thought that would work a little better than it did in this area. It does really well on my sink, but for this area, I really didn't notice too much of a difference, so I just switched back to the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and that does just fine. So I ended up getting all the dirt out of the little cracks and everything. It looks a lot better. Not perfect, but better. And then after I get this done, I'm going to go ahead and clean the back windows.
Goes for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? Ooh, 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 la, 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 ooh, 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 la, 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 ooh, 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 la, 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 ooh, ooh, ooh. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want?
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move.
Thank you so much for picking this video to watch. I hope you got a little bit of motivation out of it to where you can get some things done around your house, deep clean your kitchen, bathroom, bed, whatever you have been needing to get done. You can find some motivation in this to get all that done. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. I have so many good videos coming soon. I'm super excited about, so I wouldn't want you all to miss out on it. That is it for this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.